Question that I get asked a lot. Are Facebook ads cheaper than Google ads? Well, in this video, myself and Megan from Seller Central Setup are going to answer that question for you conclusively. You'll know for sure.
I don't touch Facebook ads. So I would say it depends. It'll depend on your keywords. It'll really depend on the product and the marketplace. But you can have a look at if you use the keyword planner, you can have a look at how much it might cost per click. So just tools and settings, keyword planner, and then you can pop your main keywords in there and have a look. That would be the best thing to do. Have a look for yourself.
And I will add to that Google search is quite buyer. The buyer intention is to find a product to buy. The searcher's intention is buyer intent is very, very high for that. Whereas Facebook ads, the intention, the person on Facebook is not looking for your product. You're interrupting what they're actually there to do. And so
that's true.
Whilst you tend to find that Google clicks can be expensive, they tend to be very, very high quality clicks. And I think that's a better thing to focus on, Bipin, is the quality of the clicker relative to whether or not they're going to give you any money for your product. So I'd be more interested in that than the actual cost. So look at your ROI versus the upfront cost. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs right here in Australia. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and also come and join us, because there's over 2,500 members here and growing, we're actually, believe it or not, the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs this side of Darwin. Yeah, that's right. You heard me. And by the way, we're making money too. $50 million last time I checked. Would you like a little piece of that? Of course you would. So get yourself off to www.AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs, link in the description below, .com.au. That's AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au.